All right, let's get Jim's first take of the day at the NYSE. Jim, good to see you. What are you watching today?
Oil, because I'm listening to you, and you've got the inside track. Try to figure out how much, how little, because you know that I think today may depend on that. But given the fact that I don't think that there's anything really definitive about employment or productivity. So you tell me, because I think you got to handle this better than anyone at the network.
Well, Jim, very complimentary, and I appreciate that, my friend. Thank you. I mean, it looks like they're going to probably add a couple 100,000 incremental barrels, Jim. If you take a million, I don't know how good you are at math, but like, let's say if you lose a million, but you add 250,000, still down 750,000 per day. So it seems bullish, even with an incremental add, but maybe that's just my bad math.
And that's exactly my take. It's bullish, and yet all these stocks are down in the pre-market. Now, you know and I know that the pre-market has been dead wrong every single time. I bet it's dead wrong again.
Wow. Now, the other day you had tweeted out something. We're talking about oil and stocks. And for a long time, Jim, it was sort of the opposite, right? Except for the oil stocks, of course. Oil up, NASDAQ down. Right. Is the correlation largely still there?
Well, I don't know. Look, I mean, the creeping percentage of the S&P that is oil, it does seem to be that oil is just kind of trying to go from, say, 3 to 4%, maybe to 8%, and it's kind of just a secular change. These are suddenly growth stocks, and that is not correlative with tech, other than if you think that one group's growth stock and another group's a growth stock with a big dividend. But it is very hard to figure out, Brian.
What was the max?
I look to you because, I'm sorry.
I was saying, what was the max, Jim? Like decades ago,
12.
Wasn't oil like 33% of the S&P 500 or something? Mike, do you know?
That's high.
Yeah, it's too high, I think. But it was 20-something percent.
Remember 2013. You got 2013, Exxon was the largest company.
Yeah, in the world.
And now all we know about Exxon is that they're a dock June 23rd, David, 8 p.m. That's all we know about Exxon. Little old Exxon and David.
But watching oil today, you think OPEC is going to be the driver of the day, Jim?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, look, it ain't going to be MongoDB, but I do think that that's about the only. Maybe it's a C3AI. I mean, holy cow! Jamie Dimon's weather report keeps changing, right? He come out today. Maybe he says it's going to be he downgrades it to what, a category 3.
MongoDB and C3AI, you just named half the characters in the new Star Wars movie, Jim. We appreciate it. Looking forward to Squawk on the Street.
That's Disney Plus, and I'm taking my Disney Plus numbers up because of MongoDB. It's one of the best I've seen.